Hi, everyone! Today we're introducing a versatile waterproof color-changing light suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. First, remove the 4 screws from the product base and store them securely. Remove the retaining clip. Please place the main unit in the location where you intend to install it and make a simple mark. Place the product's adhesive patch that was just removed next to the simple markings. We now need to make precise markings. Then please drill holes at the precisely marked points. Hammer the nail sleeves into place. Attach the product's adhesive pads and screws. Please connect the power cord on the product base to your power supply. Please reinstall the 4 base mounting screws that were previously removed. Product installation completed. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.